But it's so see where it takes us. Hopefully, if we call in ours like second-hand stores and thrift stores along the way, let's see, like craft stores would be interesting. Like I'm a super giant. Going for a road trip.
Road trip.
Random. Still not sure where we're going.
I will see along the way.
It don't matter if we go. It don't matter how far we go.
Alright, so catch you. Stop sign is muntu wakho.
Out in one. We're currently in what's French Book. We were just passing, but then we saw a nice flea market situation. So you guys know we have to go and check it out. Are you gonna buy something?
Budget got December. But we'll see what we can get or something. Maybe, I don't know. But I doubt if we'll get something.
But I have a feeling like, because it's like, you know, the white area situation, so it could be a bit expensive, but it's an interesting flea market, so we're gonna take you along. They're even playing music on the trees. Guys, look at this. Yo guys, this is me. This is literally all me. Beautiful, beautiful black art. Oh my god.
Sure.
This is so interesting. Yes, we cherish.
Just, I want to
Look at this. All of this is so beautiful. Then when you go inside, guys, the level of skill. Any whoozy.
Oh, and I can stand here.
So stand where?
Yeah.
You want to take a picture?
No, stand here. Listen to the speakers. Confusing.
Interesting. I think I've seen this elsewhere.
I
Johnny's
love
position.
that one.
Which
Nice
one?
zebras.
Maybe short. So it's like too many layers.
But then it makes me independent.
Denim work.
Like it, I'm freaking sleep.
It's beautiful. I don't know what that is. It's like oil thingies.
Oh, the oil.
Ooh, look at those sculptures. Hey, look at the sculptures. Oh, try this one.
I remember. I've seen this.
Is this like a candle holder? This one.
That's what it is?
Is it like a candle holder?
Yes, a candle holder.
Oh my god. Obsessed.
Like it?
I'm obsessed.
I like it. Uzophuma phambi kwami straight. But anyways, so guys, going to that flea market, it was interesting. I met this lovely lady. She's like this beautiful, what you call, deco thingies.
Clay, whatever.
Yo, guys, as man, it's like he says as to SABC3 is powerful. But anyways, it was not like an average kind of a flea market or kind of something that I would go to, because damn, the prices
Skyrocketing.
you know.
Even a ring, 100 rand, got a flea market. I mean, can't we get this for 50 rand or something?
Yeah, so that was the situation, but it was a great experience because we've been on the road for the whole day. Yeah, so when we get home, are we gonna continue filming that? Are we gonna finish that press drop? What? A press drop, or we're just gonna chill? There's another flea market there, but after seeing the prices, I'll be broken. But anyways, check with you guys later. Toodles.